All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels. We do reviews on make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Cordless Impact Wrench. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. So let's check it out. This one's cool. This one's got batteries already with it, so you don't have to go buy some or have some. This kit already has them in there. Comes with a carry case already for it. This one does have 1,100 foot-pounds of torque or 1,500 Newton meters. So let's check it out. So it actually comes with two batteries right here. Lets you know if they're charged or not. So I already like that. Two batteries, the charger for the batteries. Different sockets for it. This one right here, 22 millimeter, 21 millimeter, 17 millimeter, and then a 19 millimeter socket for it. The user manual. All right, and then the actual impact itself. It's got some weight to it. Let's go ahead and put a battery on it just to see. All right, ready to go. Oh. All right, and then once you can see, it's got a light there, but it also has different options right here. As you can see, 3 different options. So the top one is if you want it on the strongest mode, the high mode, low, and then medium. So I'll leave it on the high mode, but just so you know, you do have 3 different options right there. Seems like it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and actually go outside and test it out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one on there, just like that. Ready to go. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. Damn, took that right out. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that. Takes them right out. Super easy. Takes them out super easy. Check that out. Very, very simple to use. Definitely got some power behind it as well. All right, and then once you guys are done using it, we got that carrying case. Just put it all nice and neat. Just like so. Seal it back up. And you're good to go. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new Cordless Impact, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.